Using the same app twice on Android can be useful for various purposes, such as having separate accounts or instances for personal and work use. To achieve this, you can use a feature called app cloning or parallel apps, which is available on some Android devices, particularly those from Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi. First, check if your device has this feature by going to the Settings menu and looking for a section called Advanced Features, Dual Apps, or App Twin. If you cannot find this feature on your device, you can use a third-party app to clone other apps. To use the built-in app cloning feature, go to the Settings menu and select the option to clone or create a parallel app. Choose the app you want to clone from the list of available apps. The device will then create a copy of the selected app, which can be used independently of the original app. If your device does not have the built-in app cloning feature, you can download a third-party app from the Google Play Store. Some popular options include Parallel Space, App Cloner, and Double App. To use a third-party app cloner, download and install the app from the Google Play Store. Open the app and select the app you want to clone from the list of installed apps. The app cloner will then create a copy of the selected app, which can be used independently of the original app. When using a cloned app, keep in mind that some features may not work as expected, and the app may not receive updates from the Google Play Store. Also, be aware that using cloned apps may potentially compromise the security and stability of your device. To manage cloned apps, you can create separate icons for each instance of the app on your home screen, allowing you to easily switch between them. You can also use a launcher that supports app cloning to manage multiple instances of the same app. In conclusion, using the same app twice on Android can be achieved using either the built-in app cloning feature on some devices or third-party app cloners. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create separate instances of the same app for different purposes and manage them effectively on your device.